In this exercise, we'll simplify the expression 10 to the second power minus 2 to the second power divided by 2. We'll use the rules for order of operations in order to do this simplification. We'll start with evaluating all the exponential expressions that we see in the expression. I'm also going to continue to write down the rest of the expression as well. 10 to the second power is 100 minus 2 to the second power is 4 divided by 2. And I now have evaluated all the exponential expressions that appear within this expression. The next step in the rules for order of operation is to perform all multiplications and divisions in order from left to right. The operations that are left are subtraction and division, so in this next step I want to perform the division 4 divided by 2. So I have 100 minus 4 divided by 2 is 2. The last step would be to perform additions and subtractions in order from left to right. There is one subtraction. Performing it, I have 100 minus 2 is 98. So the simplified form of the expression is 98.